Slow cooked cheesy orange beef with broccoli. Ingredients: beef fillet, broccoli, shredded cheese, butter, garlic, orange glaze, white wine, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Step 1. Make small cuts into the fillet diagonally, then cover with soy sauce, salt and pepper. Step 2. Crush 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Butter up a pan preheated to medium heat and place the crushed garlic cloves in the pan. Step 3. Sear the fillet on all sides over the garlic. Then pour water and white wine, cover the pan and take it off the stove. Step 4. Oven bake the fillet at 130 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 hours. Step 5. Pull the meat apart using 2 forks. Step 6. Put the meat on a preheated pan along with butter, cover with orange glaze, stir, then add the broccoli, cheese and some of the remaining broth. Steam on low heat for 3 minutes. Serve and enjoy.